arc length theta by 360, area of the arc,
Area
Not
of
saying circumference
area
of
of
circle.
sector.
area of sector, sorry.
So area of circumference, sir.
Area of
by 360.
circumference.
Area of
Circumference is
circumference.
2
Will
pi.
get
Sir,
area.
length of circumference, sir.
Length of circumference is 2 pi r. How
Sir,
much angle radius vector will be subtending to complete circumference? That will be 360 degree.
Yes, sir. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r, sir. Length of circumference.
That is length of arc, sir, not length of circumference.
Sir, that is
The
area of
length of
sector, sir.
circumference, sir, it's not there, sir. Only circumference, area.
Only circumference is there, na sir.
Okay, beta, both you say meaning is same. Circumference is 2 pi r. At that time, radius vector will be subtending angle 360 degree at the center. 360 degrees 2 pi radian.
Yes, sir.
Pi radian is subtended by 2 pi r. So theta radian.
Sir, that means how the particle is rotating, sir.
Particle is rotating like this. See.
Sir, can you please go to the previous slide, sir? I noted, but I didn't take screenshots, sir.
So displacement and distance, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Medans, you
Sir,
understand?
can you please go to the previous slide, sir? I understood, sir, but I forgot to take screenshots, sir.
Okay, beta, take previous one.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta. Over. May I move to next problem? All my children.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going for concept number 2 is speed and velocity. People will call rate of change of displacement. That is wrong, beta. Displacement itself is okay, change of position coordinate na. So rate of displacement will be velocity, not rate of change of displacement. Rate of change, if you are taking with time of position coordinate, then it will be called velocity. So v is dx by dt and x will be integration from v initial to v final v dt beta. That will give you displacement. Average speed is total distance covered by total time taken. This is my line beta. In books, they say only time. But sometimes which quantity we overlook play very important role. So total time taken will be playing very, very important role here, beta. So you should take total time taken and average or mean velocity will be net displacement by total time taken. First, try to understand these three. Then integration one, I will explain to you.
Sir, no, we should learn this, sir.
Suppose this is Chandra's house. Chandra, are you there? Chandra.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. In average
1 minute,
velocity.
wait.
Okay,
Chandra is there?
No, sir.
No. Where he has gone? Today he is not attending.
I think he has connection problem, sir.
Okay, okay.
Morning he attended.
Okay. So what is your name, beta? Just now you have spoken. Your name.
So their average or mean velocity
Name,
is
name,
equal to or
name you tell.
my name, sir,
Huh.
Saket.
Saket, your average speed or mean speed, both word are same, beta.
Sir, that is equal to or minus, sir, there. C.
It is equal to, where is minus sign, beta? Equal to sign is
There, sir. C. C1.
where? There
Yeah.
is nowhere minus sign. Equal to sign everywhere is there.
Equal to. Okay, sir. Okay.
Total distance covered by total time taken. So Saket, anytime have you gone to market?
Yes, sir.
So suppose market is along a straight road. You have gone from A to B. Market is situated at a distance 10 kilometer, right? You have taken half an hour. Half hour to reach to market. Okay, Saket.
Okay, sir.
In market, you have stayed for 15 minutes. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And then you were returning. When you have reached 5 kilometer, you met Medhans. Okay?
Okay, sir.
In return journey. With Medhans, 5 kilometer, you have traveled in 15 minutes. Okay? Then you met Medhans. You have talked to Medhans for 15 minutes. Understanding me? Here
Sir.
Medhans you met.
Yes, sir.
them. And then further you have taken 15 minutes to come back to your home. Understanding me?
Yes, sir.
Tell me your average speed from your house to Medhans.
Meters per
The total distance by total time.
20
sir.
kilometer per hour.
Beta, from your house to Medhans distance travel is 15 kilometer na. And time, see, you are sitting for a study on your study table. You will tell that I have studied for 2.5 hours. In between, any problem you didn't get, you have called Chandra. And now on phone, first you have asked the problem and then you started talking. When college will reopen, will you come? Okay, you started talking for 15 minutes. And you will be telling that you have studied for 2.5 hours now. In that half an hour, you have talked. Am I right? But that half an hour you are counting now. So I have written here, beta, total time taken. You see here. So from house to meet Medhans, you have traveled 15 kilometers. But time, how much you have taken? Half an hour, 15 minutes, and 15 minutes. So 1 hour. So 1
hour.
This is kilometer per hour. This is your average speed, beta. Are you understanding me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So Saket, you tell from house to house, average speed. Yours average speed how much? House to house. Average speed I want to know. You have gone from house to market, you have come back to house. What is your
Sir,
average?
16 kilometer.
15
No,
by
beta. Answer is
15
wrong.
only, sir.
No.
16, sir, 16.
15 by 2.33.
No.
40 by 3 kilometer per hour.
Answer is 20 by 3 kilometer. Total distance travel is 20 kilometer. And time, even you are at rest or you are gossiping, you'll have to consider. So total time is 3. So I have written total time taken. So time taken is 3 by 2 hours.
Sir, 20 you got by adding 10 plus 10, no, sir?
Beta, distance covered is total distance covered.
Yes,
The
sir.
total distance is 10 plus 10, 20. So house to house, it will be better 20 by time taken 3 by 2. So it will become 40 by
40 by 3.
kilometer per hour. This is your average speed from house to house.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now from Medhans, this question is, okay.
Sir?
What is the average velocity of Saket from his house to meet you? Average velocity I am asking now. Average
5
velocity.
kilometers per hour.
How much beta?
5 kilometers per hour.
Ekdam
Right.
right. The time
15
for
by
which,
3.
the time for which
So
Medhans
5 kilometer per
you
hour.
will not have to consider. So net displacement is 5 kilometer, time taken half an hour plus 15 minutes plus 15 minutes 1 hour. So 5 by 1. Answer 5 kilometer per hour. Okay.
Sir, you got
From
5.
where to where,
Sir,
5 kilometer per
sir,
hour.
you got 5 by this, sir. Distance you got by half that 10 kilometer, no, sir.
Huh.
Half
If
of the 10 kilometer.
Minus 5.
displacement depends only upon initial position and final position. So final position of Saket is where he is meeting Medhans, and initial position is house. So net displacement
Sir,
is,
so 5.
and time you will have to take from house to meet Medhans. So half an hour going
15
market.
half.
15
1
minutes
hour.
he was in market. 15 minutes he has reached to Medhans. But how much time he talked to Medhans you should not take, because already he met Medhans. So he's meeting Medhans in time 1 hour. So time taken is 1 hour. 5 by 1, 5 kilometer per hour.
Understood.
Okay, average velocity you tell from house to market. House to market.
Sir, market
20,
is
sir.
D, no, sir.
10 kilometer
20, sir.
and time is half.
Sir, 20 kilometers per hour.
20.
Not take. Answer will be 20 kilometer
Meter
per hour.
hour.
Are you understanding me?
Sir, the market is M or B, sir?
B.
B.
M is Medhans. M from Medhans.
So from A to B, he traveled 10 kilometers, no, sir?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir, understood.
And time taken is only half an hour. Whatever time he spent in market, you should not take, because
Yes, sir.
already he reached to market.
Sir, we should not take the time, how much he take the time to talk to Medhansh, because he is
Yes,
asking about
because
the
already
market only. Yes, sir,
correct.
understood.
Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Now, beta, a general formula I am giving you, which in entire physics you can apply. Mean value or average value of any physical quantity A, this is the symbol beta. If you put any quantity in this bracket, it means beta mean value. The mean value of any quantity A, any physical quantity, this is integration A dt by integration dt beta. For example, I want in AC chapter, mean value of electric current. This will be integration I dt by integration dt. Yes, this is definite integral. For definite integral, you'll have to put limits of integration. So time will play very important role. Usually there, for mean value of electric current, we take one time period, means 0 to capital T. The denominator will directly be 0 to capital T integration of dt, that will be equal to capital T. But when you are considering, listening to me,
Yes,
mean
sir.
Yes,
value
sir.
of
Yes, sir.
power in projectile motion. So there your time limit will be 0 to time period. Time period in projectile motion is 2u sine theta naught by g. So limits of integration will change according to problem. But mean value formula is standard. Mean value of any physical quantity, not only velocity. For velocity, I have written here, beta, already you are seeing that. This is the formula, integration v dt by integration dt. Okay, but any physical quantity, this formula is applicable, beta. Only limits of integration related to time you will be giving, because here this physical quantity will depend upon time, whether most of the physical quantity depends upon time. Some boy has sent a message.
Sir, what is that 5 kilometer per hour, sir? From where to where, sir? Sir,
हाँ बेटा, tell ना.
House to
written
Medan. From house
5
to
kilometers
Medan.
from house to Medan. Okay.
Five triple zero. Who is there? 5000. Are you
Sir,
present
in
now?
abouts, their name will be, sir.
Huh?
When you open their contact, their name will be written, sir. We can identify them.
I should open contact.
No, sir. When you see the DP, sir, means for seeing DP, you'll click no, sir. Side number will be there at last, means right side corner down, their name will be written, sir.
No,
So what happened, sir?
no, someone had 5000. Whose number is better if you want to call me? Mani Krupant Reddy. Are you present, beta? Do you have any doubt? Krupant Reddy. If you have any doubt, beta. If you have any doubt, please ask.
Sir,
by mistake the message came.
from
Actually,
where
I
to
have sending
where,
to my another sir.
Okay, which sir?
For my school sir.
Arey, why you are sending at this time? Concentrate for studies now.
Okay, sir. Actually, sir says that message me in this time, so I have just sent the message, but it came to wrong. Both names are same, sir.
Oh, his name is. Hey, who is Yaswant Babu? 1839796.
Sir, it's me.
Why you want control of the screen?
No, sir, it was. I'm not requesting, sir.
Oh, someone is requesting on your name. Anyhow, all of you understood this slide?
Sir, understood.
Okay, beta.
5 kilometers per hour, no, sir.
If you understood, any child, any question, I'll move to next slide. May I
Sir,
move?
there you wrote 5 kilometers per hour, no, sir.
Haan, beta.
There you wrote 5 kilometers per hour, no, sir. Down.
Down where is 20?
From where to where, sir? That one.
5 kilometers per hour. Yes, that one is average velocity of Saket when he met from his house to meet Medhans.
That means A to M is 5 and again M to B is 5.
No, beta. Yes, that is displacement.
Yes, sir.
A to M displacement is 5 and time taken, because total time you have to take. So going from A to B and A to B half an hour.
That you asked displacement, sir.
Displacement is A to M, initial and final position. That's all. He has gone to market, don't consider. This is initial position. This is initial position and this is final position when he met Medhans. So net displacement is only 5 kilometers. Time is half an hour plus 15 minutes plus 15 minutes, 1 hour. So 5 by 1.
I thought that is distance, sir.
Understood?
Understood, sir. Now understood.
Okay. Have you taken
Okay,
a
sir.
screenshot?
Yes, sir.
And have you noted it? I'm moving now to next slide now. This will be related to uniform speed, your uniform velocity, uniform and non-uniform velocity beta. This is pure language. You first write it, then I will explain to you.
Hello, sir.
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
Sir, in this Narayana group, sir, they have sent the PDF of rectilinear motions.
Little bit.
So we don't have to read it, sir.
Oh, no.
Okay, sir.
You send if you, I will see if it will be useful, I will tell you.
Yes, sir, I am sending.
Okay. You just see whatever I'm giving you, that is only needed, but mostly languages we have to reduce. Whatever language I'm giving you, it is itself more than enough. We don't need this much. Okay, now? I myself, I have given
Yes,
you.
sir.
Actually, we should be more concentrating on mathematical part. You see so many exams you are writing. Any exam, they are asking theory. Only problems are there.
Sir, I will take a screenshot, sir. You explain, no, sir, first.
No, better. When you are writing, you are learning in more better way. The screenshot will be there. That one is for emergency.
After class, we'll write, sir. I was saying like that.
No, sir. After class, you have to revise, sir.
Yes, sir. After that, we will not get time out.
No, there are some students, better, they will have only mobile now. Medans, you are studying on laptop.
No, sir, tab.
The tab you can take. Mobile.
Laptop also we can take, sir. Laptop, mobile, tab, any device we can take, sir, screenshot.
We can take on anything, but mobile a bit, because when they are taking a bit, they are facing difficulty. So they are liking to write. Whatever children are telling, we should just follow that better. Children, I know that is not important. How much children knows that is important? No. If child is liking to write, how can I say? Okay. Let him write.
Sir, college starts on July 1st.
What, beta?
Will college start on July 1st, sir?
Beta, if you know, you also tell me. At present, any information I don't have. If I will get any information, I'll pass to you. You get any information, you pass to me. Okay? At present, I don't know anything. I will certainly be very happy if you are coming here offline. But at the same time, beta, you are more important. Your health is very important. So management will be taking whatever decision, we will just follow that. Okay? They will see all the pros and cons, and only then they will be taking the decision. Completed?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Sir,
1 minute, sir.
Okay, beta.
Sir, harmonic motion means what, sir?
I will explain better that.
Sir. Sir.
Speak better. Tell
Sir,
me.
what are highest, sir? Yesterday's exam?
Yes, beta.
Highest marks, sir, yesterday's exam.
How much you got?
I got 56, sir.
Out of 60.
Yes, sir.
Very good, beta. Very nice marks. What's your name?
Chandra, sir.
Hey, Chanda, where were you? I have called so many times your name.
Sir, that time I was when I went to eat, sir. That's why.
Okay. Very good, beta. Maintain it. Medhan,
Sir, and that what?
Sir?
How much you got?
35, sir.
It's very less, na?
I lost in that multiple correct only, sir. Every means one option was missing, sir, for me every time.
But partial marking will be there, na?
Partial marking
No,
is
sir,
not
this
there,
time
sir.
not there, sir.
Okay, okay. No problem. These are not playing any role. Better, don't worry. Whatever I am teaching, you should understand. That's all. And Saturday again, we'll be solving problems now. That will work as for your examination.
Sir,
Sir, in
completed,
mains
sir.
out of
Explain.
one.
Okay.
Sir, in mains I got 112, sir. Means after corrections, everything, sir.
Oh.
After mistakes rectifying, sir.
Okay. So
I
now,
think in girls batch, anyone got 60 by 60, I think, sir.
Any child got 60 out of 60? Please tell.
No, sir. I'm asking for you, sir. Did anyone get, sir, in girls batch?
Oh, I didn't. You know me. I never ask better because when you are telling the marks, those children who will get less, they will feel a bit. And so why to compare better? I never compare my two children because for me, my all children are intelligent. Okay. Chandra, understood better?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Whoever would be getting less mark, if I will be going on praising you, what will happen? They will feel better. And for me, all children are equal. This exam, a child didn't get. Next time he will work hard. He will score certainly good marks. This is my view. For me, all children are intelligent. So now you come for this. If any particle will have equal displacement in equal interval of time, we say that particle is moving with uniform velocity beta. If it will have non-equal displacement in equal interval of time, then only you say that it is moving with a non-uniform velocity. Ekdam to the point I am giving you. Velocity is a vector quantity. It will have magnitude as well as direction. So for uniform velocity beta, magnitude should not change and direction also should not change in any interval of time. But if suppose either magnitude is changing or direction is changing or both are changing, you will say that particle is moving with non-uniform velocity. Suppose you have a body and you are projecting it vertically upward. So direction is not changing, but magnitude is changing from u to 0. Because magnitude is changing, so velocity of a body which is projected vertically up will be known as non-uniform velocity. In uniform circular motion beta, your particle magnitude means you can say that magnitude of velocity does not change, but direction is continuously changing. So that is non-uniform velocity.
Sir, how, sir, in circular motion?
Suppose you have a simple pendulum. Simple pendulum is oscillating. The velocities, magnitude and direction both are always changing. So that is non-uniform velocity. I have given you 3 examples. One for magnitude changing, other for Okay, direction changing, third for both magnitude and direction. Yes, Chandra, you are raising hand. You want to speak something, you can speak.
Sir, in a body vertically projected up, the direction will change after it reaches the highest velocity. Sorry, velocity becomes zero, no, sir.
Yes, so magnitude is changing now.
Sir, means I mean direction is also changing, no, sir.
Direction where it is changing, when it is going vertically up, direction is vertically up. Direction does not change. Direction will change when it will fall down.
Okay, now I got it.
Sir, how in circular motion direction is changing?
Direction continuously changing in uniform circular motion, na beta. Any circular motion you take, velocity ka direction is going on changing. Are velocity is acting tangentially, na? The direction of tangent will change as the position of the particle will change. So non-stop direction is going on changing, but magnitude of speed of the particle R into omega will always remain constant in uniform circular motion. So motion is non-uniform beta.
Simple harmonic motion means what, sir?
Simple harmonic motion beta, acceleration is directly proportional to displacement and it is directed towards a fixed point in its path. Best example is simple harmonic motion. You will be considering simple pendulum. Simple pendulum you have seen na? A pendulum clock you have seen na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is simple harmonic motion beta.
That means it has a fixed position, no, sir?
Beta. So at the middle velocity is maximum. At extreme position velocity is zero magnitude. Direction non-stop, it is going on changing. So in circular motion, you will say that magnitude and direction, both of velocity vector going on changing.
Sir, in simple harmonic motion, how will magnitude change, sir?
Beta, when SHM will come, I will teach you. At this time, you simply keep that it is changing from max to zero. Mean position, it is maximum. At extreme position, it is zero. Advait, you have raised your hand. Speak, beta.
Sir, I have a doubt that if a particle has equal displacements in non-equal interval of time,
then that is non-uniform velocity.
Okay, sir.
In equal displacement in non-equal time, it means that it is unequal displacement in equal interval of time, na?
Yes, sir.
Both are same, na?
Yes, sir.
Meaning is same, na?
Yes.
Then, okay,
Sir,
beta, tell.
Sir, in this only uniform graph, non-uniform motion graphs are there, sir?
That one will be a new unit I will be teaching you later on.
Okay, sir.
Clear? So all of you have noted, you have taken a screenshot, you understood also. May I move to next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now there will be problems on this. Okay. First problem I am giving you. A particle moves on a circular path. This figure is not related to this. Okay, now this figure is for a different problem. A particle moves on a circular path with uniform speed v. Find its average velocity when it completes 3.5 number of revolutions. Don't see solution. This will be your problem number 5. If you see solution, then meaning will be lost. It is moving with uniform speed v. I'm asking you mean velocity.
Sir, it will be 2r by t.
Yes, sir. 2r by t.
Yes, sir. 2r by t.
2r by?
T, sir. The 22r is there, sir. It is
No,
wrong.
no. Don't say that.
No, sir. 2r by t is the answer, sir.
No, that is not the answer.
22r by t only, sir.
22r by t only.
No, beta.
Sir, 2r by t.
2r by t.
2r by t is not the answer. To confuse you, I have done that.
So displacement is 2r and time taken is t. Sir.
T, sir.
Now you see. Now you see answer is given. Now you see the screen. Now answer is given. Okay.
In terms of v also we got, sir.
No, they have given you only v na. Answer will be only in terms of v na.
And v by 11.
Answer is v by 11.
Sir, how 22r by t came, sir?
Total time taken. I'm taking you back. I'm taking you back. Please.
Sir, mute sign answer.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir. The total displacement will be 2r, no, sir?
So total time taken is constant. Total time taken will be total distance covered by total time taken. So V will be 22r by t. So t will be 22r by v. And t is common. So average velocity will be net displacement by total time taken. Net displacement already you have studied. It is 2r. And time taken is 22r by v. So v will go up, r will be cancelled, 2 and 22 will be 1 by 11. Answer is v by 11.
Sir, once can you explain how you got 22r by t?
Beta, average speed is how much?
Total distance.
Speed equal to total distance covered by total time taken. So
Yes, sir.
total time taken is 22r by v. Only v is given to you. So your answer must be in terms of v. So time we have replaced by 22r by v because it is same in both. So important role is not played by v. Important role is played by time. Time, total time taken is identical in average speed and in average velocity. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Check it better. My average child is understanding or not?
Understanding, sir.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Now, next problem. Next problem, right side one figure is there.
Sir, is it junction law?
No, nothing. There is a field where you play football. In that, you take a square A, B, C, D. At the four corners, 4 boys are standing. Saket, Medhans, Chandra, and Vinay. Each boy is always directed towards other boy. Mane A towards B, B towards C, C towards D, D towards A. Every time A will be directed towards position of B, B will be directed towards position of C, C will be directed towards position of D, and D is directed towards position of A. Understanding me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this is a square, side AA. Each one is moving with uniform speed V. At the same time they started moving. Will they meet each other? Think. All 4 started moving towards each other with the same speed. Will they meet each other?
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They will meet.
General
Yes.
answer will be no.
No, sir.
When A is
No, sir.
moving towards B, B
No,
is
sir.
moving towards C, C is moving towards D, D is moving towards A, how will they meet?
Or they will never meet.
Yes,
They will not
yes.
meet, sir.
They'll never meet.
Huh? But now, 1 minute, a small figure I draw. You see this figure and you will understand.
Sir, no, sir. If speed is the same and time taken will also be same, then all will come at O, no, sir. Means there is a chance like that, no, sir.
Wait, you see, I will tell you. So let us take a very small time del t. In del t, A will be reaching here, new position A dash. So he will travel distance V del t. B will reach to B dash. Okay, distance travel V del t. C will move to C dash, V del t. D will travel a distance V del t, and it will reach to D dash. So now A is at A dash, B is at B dash, C is at C dash, D is at D dash. Always A is towards B. So now A will move in this direction. B will move in this direction. C will move in this direction. D will move in this direction. Okay. Again, after time del t, B dash, B will reach here. A will reach here. C will reach here. D will reach here. Tell me, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now A will move this way. B will move this way. C will move this way. D will move this way. And finally, then what will happen? A will move like this. B will move
They will
like
meet
this.
at a point.
C will move like this. And D will move like this.
Sir, they meet at a
You
point.
see now the given
They
figure.
meet, sir.
Now you see the given figure. Figure will become like this. You see.
Yes, sir.
So they will
Yes, sir.
meet at center O. Same problem they can ask for triangle also. You can play with 3 boys also. And that problem is given in your SC Verma solved. Okay, no? You can take this problem with a triangle with 3 boys, you can play this game. Again, they will meet at this center. Side is A. This boy will
centered
move
as well.
like this will move like this will
Sir,
move.
central.
They will meet at the center. Now they are asking you average velocity. Average velocity is net displacement by time. So time they will ask you, when will they meet? Where will they meet? They will meet at center. When they will meet, displacement by velocity along the direction of displacement. So AO will be root 2 A by 2, A by root 2. This is your displacement. And time velocity, this is V. Component of this direction is V cos 45. So V cos 45, if you take V cos 45, this will become V by root 2. So displacement A to O is A by root 2 and velocity component along the direction of displacement is V by root 2. Am I right?
Sir, how you got root 2, sir?
No, answer will be A by V at center. This is the answer, beta.
No, sir. Sir, I am asking, you are saying no, A to O, it would be root 2.
A by root 2.
A by root 2. Sir, how you got root 2, sir?
Half of diagonal.
Oh, okay. Oh, yes, sir.
AOC will
Yes,
be
sir, A by
root
root
2A. Half
Yes, sir.
of that. Half
A
of
by
that
root
will
2.
be root 2 A by 2, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it will be A by root 2. And velocity component along the direction of displacement, that will be V by root 2, na? V cos 45, na?
Yes, sir. Understood.
So time taken will be displacement by velocity. A by root 2 by B by root 2. Root 2 cancel. It will be A by V, na?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So answer will be this, you see.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir, this triangle problem, sir, it is given that triangle is equilateral, no, sir?
Haan, beta, equilateral.
And T is equals to 0, side is D, sir. Same question, sir.
Haan, beta. Answer
Yes,
you tell me.
Answer, the solution is there, sir. The motion of the particle is roughly sketched, sir. By symmetry, then they will meet at a point, sir. They will meet at centroid O, sir. The point of
Oh,
meeting
you
is
are
O.
reading the book. You are seeing the solution in the book.
Yeah, I saw the whole question, sir, and solution also, both.
So answer how much?
Sir,
They will meet,
sir,
sir.
could you repeat again?
sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Na, ask.
Sir,
Sir, their total time will be average speed, means total distance by average speed, no, sir.
In this case, why you will take beta? In this case, only you take time. Why for finding time you take velocity component along the direction AO. Displacement is AO. Along direction of AO, velocity component is V cos 45. That's all.
So means, but the time is the total time, no, sir.
Huh.
Total time taken by the body to do that. Means that is looking like a one-fourth of a circle, no, sir.
No. You have to, they are asking you time. Time is displacement by velocity along the direction of displacement. Problem differs, beta, concept also differs now. So answer here will be A by V, beta. Okay. So all my students.
sir, I didn't understand.
Please take this screenshot.
Sir, the triangle problem answer what, sir?
Triangle problem.
Could you please repeat it once again?
Sir, it is possible for rectangle also, sir.
No.